How to remove I'm not a robot on Google Chrome. If you've been annoyed by the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA on Google Chrome, don't worry, I've got a quick and easy fix for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove or bypass the CAPTCHA so you can get back to browsing hassle-free. Now, first things first, what you can do is open your Google Chrome. Sometimes stored data can cause frequent CAPTCHA challenges. Let's start by clearing your cache and cookies. Click on the three dots and here you can find an option called delete browsing data. Simply do that. Or you can simply go to clear browsing data as well. Now just restart Chrome and check if CAPTCHA issue persists. You can also disable extensions in Chrome. Simply open Chrome in your PC if you have. Tap on the three dots and simply tap on more tools and extension. If you find it, simply disable any extension that may interfere with browsing, especially ones related to security or VPNs. Now let's turn off VPN or proxy if you're using one. Open your settings app and simply search for VPN. Search for it, and if VPN is connected to your device, simply turn that off and restart Chrome and check if the CAPTCHA appears less frequently. A fluctuating or unusual internet connection can also sometimes trigger CAPTCHA challenges. Just ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. And that's it. By using these methods, you should now be able to browse Google without getting interrupted.